Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today I'll guide you on how to add a profile picture on WhatsApp. Customizing your profile picture makes it easier for others to identify you, and it's super simple to do. Let's get started. But if this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. If you are using an iPhone, tap on the settings option at the bottom right corner of your screen. On the other hand, for Android users, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. And after that, select Settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, tap your name at the very top to access your profile page. Here, you will see an option to add photo. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, you will see Camera, Gallery, Avatar. The first one lets you capture a new picture right now. On the other hand, Gallery, which lets you select an existing image from your gallery. For this example, I'll go with Choose Photo or Gallery. Now scroll through your images and select the one you want. And now adjust or crop it as needed. Once you are happy with the selection, press on Done button. And there you have it. Your profile picture has now been updated. That's all about how to add a profile picture on WhatsApp. It's a simple process that works seamlessly on both iPhone and Android. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out my channel for more WhatsApp tips. Thanks for watching and Allah Hafiz.